I'm a shopaholic and I have a problem. Period.
No way.
Don't judge me.
Mayday!
Watch out, girl.
Looking for an island utopia? Look no further. Welcome to the show where we seek coupon codes for hidden treasure. Budgets will be stretched, accounts will be drained, and notifications will be pushed to the limit. 2 contestants are competing against each other to see who will save the most money over the course of 1 week. The rules are simple. Contestants have to stick to a $200 budget for their weekly expenses. All purchases must be made online. You can barter for things at any time. Whoever has the most money left over wins. The intensity, the drama, the budgetary prowess. I'm Leah, and welcome to $200 Island.
Welcome to $200 Island.
If you think about it, we're all on an island of the mind. The capabilities of a game show are limited. We consider this a toolkit, garishly disguised as an island fantasy. Tonight, let's wade the waters together and see how our contestants face their first island challenge. How are they doing? Let's see.
Today is my first day of the challenge and I'm feeling a little nervous because I'm actually going to a baby shower. So today I'm gonna avoid unnecessary purchases by really just being a salt of the earth woman. All I really need is free water. The other thing is, when you get in a car, when you're driving with your friends, when you're hanging with your friends, you don't know what money you're gonna spend. I might spend money and I love spending money.
Well, my strategy for today, probably gonna register a few internet accounts to see if I can get any sign-off deals. I'm already $10 short in the beginning because I didn't got that lucky with my bucket of forgotten.
The bucket of the forgotten contains each of your monthly subscriptions.
Music streaming.
I only bought one thing today. I spent $19 on some iced coffee. I don't feel bad because that's the only money that I spent today.
One of the cheapest things to do is to walk to a park so you don't have to spend any money.
It's day 2, and I'm feeling good about this. I have spent 0 so far. How did I do that? Very simple. Just put my dignity away, go through every single thing that's last in my cabinet and in my fridge, especially my freezer, cook them and eat them.
Carolina and Zipong have managed so far not to get burned by the island heat. Now, on day 2, our contestants will face their first island challenge.
This just showed up at my door, so I'm gonna open this and see what the message is.
Oh God, this is so hard to open. Whoa.
Okay, burnt paper. Okay.
The island is kind to those who give.
Bestowing on those a special treat, consider what you love and how you live, and cook for you and a friend. Something marvelous to eat.
Challenge 1. Make a meal for you and a friend.
Done. Done, done, and done.
Can you cook?
Yes. Not to toot my own horn, okay? But she cooks. I'm gonna make a meal for me and my husband. Perfect.
Not scared because I'm such a good cook.
I took inventory of my fridge. I don't think I'm gonna need to go shopping for groceries this week.
I have to make sure the ingredients are good, but without costing a whole lot of money. So I'm gonna do some research on some cheap but delicious recipes that can impress someone without costing too much.
My husband is home and he is ready. So this is a challenge. One of the challenges today was that I had to make a meal for my friend. Dinner is served. Voila. Okay, Hamide, take a bite of your food. How is it?
You want this food good? See?
No, Hamide. Oh my God, Kuda, turn the TV on.
Our contestants have shown that their hearts are full, as well as their stomachs. Let's see where their spending is at. Well, well, you can really stretch a dollar with some common sense. Rad. But the sands are deep, even if the beach is in a studio in Queens. Let's see how our contestants fare next time on
We're on a budget, babe. Can you look at this dress I want to buy?
$200 Island. Good night.